How to convert iPhone photo to JPG image. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use third-party websites so that you can easily convert your iPhone photos to JPG images. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then you can search for JPG converter and you can use anyone on the website. And once you tap on it, I use the free convert one. So once you tap on it, you will need to upload your file, and then you'll need to wait for a while for it to upload, and then just convert it to JPG and it will be automatically downloaded to your gallery. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.